First off, I'd like to give a shout out to my viewer Darby, who suggested this video, so thanks a lot, Darby. Thanks a lot. Hey guys, and welcome to Donnie's Hacks. Today we're going to be looking at Tide Pods. Now, as you know, these are a delicacy that have been creating quite a lot of buzz recently. Now, you may be interested to know that there are actually other uses beyond their obvious gastronomical ones. Now, first off, in front of me, I have two different varieties. I have the standard Tide Pod that you're probably familiar with, and then I also have the Free and Gentle variety. I actually prefer these because of the more minimalist aesthetic of them. Now, all Tide Pods, they have a compound inside which actually acts as a detergent, which is basically similar to a soap, which assists water in removing stains, dirt, debris from clothes. So today we're going to be demonstrating how a simple product like this can be made to get your clothes cleaner, brighter, and fresher. So without any further ado, let's do the demonstration. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed that demonstration. If you did, like the video and click the subscribe.